All right, boys and girls. So today we are working on let's see here, page 419, problem solving investigation. This is chapter 6, lesson 7. And it appears our online whiteboard thing isn't working, so we will get creative. The first problem we're going to do is number 1. Let's read it out loud. And again, this is on page 419. Every year, Victoria receives $30 for her birthday, plus $2 for each year of her age. Lacey receives $20 for her birthday and $4 for each year of her age. In 2013, Victoria is 10 and Lacey is 6. In what year will they both receive the same amount of money? Okay, so guys, just, before we begin this, remember these problem-solving activities where we're applying different strategies are an opportunity to kind of bring together all the skills you've learned. So don't be afraid to mix and match your skills. I'm not looking for any one way to solve this. I'm looking to see what you can do to solve these problems effectively. Maybe that means a combination of pictures and mental math, whatever. Just make sure you're using your strategies and, trying to find the correct answer. Okay, every year, so I'm going to draw it out. Victoria over here. Victoria, so I have her name. She gets $30, so $30 per year, plus $2 for her age. So I am going to make like a little chart. So let's say Victoria, so by my chart I'm making like a little box kind of graph thing. So Victoria is going to be on one side. I'm going to make this like a million times bigger. Make it a lot easier. Not a million times, but a little bit. Okay, so I made a nice box. I put Victoria on one side and Lacey on the other. And I know I'm going to compare what? Their ages, right? So I made a box. I'm going to put Victoria's information here. Over here. And Lacey's information here. All right, so we have Victoria and Lacey. And then the years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How old is Victoria now? So Lacey is currently 6 and Victoria is 10. So they might not match up in the same spot. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I made it go all the way to 10, which also means I have to draw like a little extra on the bottom. There we go. Okay. All right, so let's see. So Victoria gets $30 for birthday plus $2 for every year of her age. So let's say for when she's 1 year old, she'll get $30, and then she's 1 year, so $2 for every year, 30 plus 2, okay? So it ended up being 32. Let's see if we can find a pattern here. So then when she's 2 years old, she's going to get another $30 because it's another birthday. But then it's going to be her age times 2, right? Because she's 2 years old, so she gets $2, $2. So you can think of it as 2 plus 2 or $2 times her age, which is 2. So what's that going to be? It's going to be 4, right? So 34. Okay, and then when she's 3, that $30, and then 3 years old, so 3 times 2 would be 6, so 36. I'm seeing what's going on here. All right, and then for 4, I'm going to have 30 plus 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So see what's happening? How much are we going up by each time? By 2, right? Yeah. 38. And 40, 42, and let's just double check. So let's see here, for, age 7, be $30 plus 7 times 2, 14, would be 44. 30 plus 14 is 44. Okay? And then 30 times plus 8 times 2, so that'd be 16, 46, 48, 50. Okay, so Victoria's 10 years old, and this is how much she's making for each birthday, which is 10 years old, or for the one birthday. Now let's do Lacey's. Let's see where they match. So Lacey, however, let's see, Lacey gets tons of money. My goodness. Lacey gets $20 plus 4 for each year of her age. So we're going to start with less, but we're going to be multiplying more. So at 1 year old, Lacey is going to get $20 plus 4, because 4 times 1 would be 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay. When she's 2 years old, she's going to be getting that $20 plus 4 times 2. So now it's going to be 28. Okay. I see kind of what's happening. I wonder if you're detecting a pattern yet as well. Okay, when she's 3, she's going to get that $30 plus her age is 3 times 4. So it'd be 20 plus 12, because 3 times 4 is 12. So 20 plus 12, let's see, that would be 32. Ooh, Lacey, man, she's making a lot of money already. Then let's see here. When she turns 4, that would be $20 plus 4 times 4, so 20 plus 16 would be 36. So I wonder if they will match up. I guess we'll find out. Because see, so when Lacey is 4 years old, she made $36. And when Victoria was 3, she made $36. Maybe that's as far as we need to go. Let's check our question again. In what year will they both receive the same amount of money? Well, it's not really what... So this question's asking a slightly different thing. I'm just going to put a star right here, and then let's complete the rest of the pattern. We also know that Lacey is only 6 years old, so. All right, number 5. So she gets $20 plus 5 times 4 would be 20. Oh, we found it. So, yes, we did. Okay. So, when Lacey turned 5 and Victoria turned 5, they both made $40. I don't know if you can see that very well. So this is what you're doing with that, guys. You are finding the patterns. It helps to make charts and compare, or you could do this a different way. I like doing it like this because I can see my numbers right here and then just compare them right across. Okay, so our answer would be, you would write in, let's see if our marker works today. Maybe not. You would write in, write the answer here, Lacey, and full sentences, please, and Victoria made the same amount, or you could say Lacey and Victoria both got or received $40 when they turned 5 years old. Okay, so your answer should look something like this. Nice and full. Lacey and Victoria both got $40 when they turned 5 years old. All right, go ahead and try the rest of those problems. Let me know if you need any help. And you want to complete the rest of page 419 for your work today, and then you can do the Canvas self-check. We are on chapter 6, lesson 7. Good luck.